This video will show you how to map distances between markers in Google My Maps. This is the measuring distance tool. Right up here on the toolbar, it looks like a ruler. I'm going to measure the distance between my house and Skate City. So here is my house, and if I want to find the other location I'm looking for, I simply click on it over in the different layers, and it will bring up the location. So I click on Skate City, and it finds me Skate City. Now notice I can't see my house any longer on the map. If this happens, you can zoom out by clicking on the minus button. And now I can see Skate City and my house, so I'm ready to measure. I'm going to click on the ruler, then I will click in the center of my marker, and then drag my mouse or drag on the trackpad, and then click in the center of the marker of Skate City twice. Click, click. That will end the marking, and I can see that it's 9.42 miles. Unfortunately, this distance will not stay. If I go to measure another distance, this distance marker will go away. So I need to use the line tool in order to be able to map out the distance if I want to leave it on the map. I can simply click on the line tool, add draw a line or shape, and then draw a line between the two distances over the distance marker and let go. Then I can label the line. I'm going to click twice at the end, it will end. Then I can label the line. I don't want it to be labeled line 8, but I can label it distance my house to Skate City. And then I will put in 9.42 MI, which is the abbreviation for miles. And click Save. Do not forget. Now, if you notice on my Aurora Locations map, it even says right here, distance to my house in Skate City. Let me show you another one. I'm going to measure from my house to the Martin Luther King Library. So I go back to the Measure the Distance in Area tool and click on it. Then I click in the middle of my house, and I know where Martin Luther King Library is because I can tell from my icon it's right here. And then I click twice to mark the distance. It is 6.03 miles. So now I'm going to take the line tool so I can mark the measurement. I click on the line tool and add a line or shape. I now draw from the middle, click in the middle of my house, and drag across the line that already exists from the distance tool, and click in the middle of the icon for the Martin Luther King Library twice to mark it so it ends it. Click, click. The line will open, and I can now label this distance from my house to MLK Library. And I have to look again and see what it was. So I'm going to save it because I forgot to see it's 6.03. So now I can click on this again to edit it and fix my spelling. Distance from my house to MLK Library, 6.03 miles. MI is the abbreviation. I'm going to fix my spelling, and I'm going to click Save. So now I have the distance between my Skate City and my house, and the distance from my house to MLK Library. For this assignment, you're going to do it for all the Aurora locations and for all the field trips. Then you can go to the assignment document and fill out the answers in assignment 3. So, the distance from my house to Skate City was 9.44 miles. And the distance from my house to Martin Luther King Library was 6.03 miles. And that's how you complete assignment 3.